Hey guys, are you running your own Bitcoin node already? So if you are considering Raspberry Pi 4, that is the size that you can see here, that it goes in palm of your hand, then I would also consider Odroid M1 for running your Bitcoin node and Lightning node. Why not? Because you can see it has the it is double the size sorry, but it has the NVMe slot, M-key slot already in the board. So if you consider that you need to add here SSD external enclosure, the size will be double or little bit more. So basically here you could have everything in one box. They have nice cases also, and even you can put SSD over but without the case. And the box is space gray, is nicer than in the photo. And so now I show you how I flash Ubuntu server over it to then download and install Umbrel OS, because I have 4 GB Odroid M1 board, but it says to me the RAM is low, so I could deinstall mempool, and Bitcoin node is running, but mempool is taking a lot, so it was running with 6 GB, but then Umbrel OS version 0.5.4 I installed this one from 0.5.3. I made the update, and it was running with 6 GB. Now it's 7.5, 6.23 GB. I could deinstall some apps, but this is I have the basic apps installed now. I haven't set up yet BTC Pay, but yeah. So this one, Bitfeed actually I don't need, and some other one, so it could work, but yeah. So how I try to put Ubuntu server now to see if it runs better. So let's see if you decide also to do the same. I show you exactly how to flash the disk in the NVMe SSD M-key. I use the Samsung 970 Evo Plus one. I recommend highly. They have 1 and 2 terabyte option available, but of course 2 terabyte is better because you can see already all these apps installed. I would have only 300 left if it was 1 terabyte. So basically in their website I have OS installation guide. I would skip and avoid all these MMC and micro SD options. The same for Raspberry Pi, even if you choose Raspberry Pi. Then in Umbrel's case, how to install, you just need to download the Umbrel OS. I put the link, zip, and then use the Balena HL Flash source. But now we will find from this direct link. So I have this direct link. Download Etcher, boom 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 boom. This is for Odroid M1, so we click the Odroid M1 here. So here we have server version of the Ubuntu 20.04. I will update it also. I do a kind of screencast. I can do screencast, but I can make a video of the screen what I will do to install it, what commands I use. Then you need only keyboard with wire, and you can skip the mouse, and then you need a NVMe enclosure to do that. So let's download the server version. Not sure, it's only 135. I think the other version was GNOME desktop was 1 giga or something actually. Yeah. So for sure it's better. So let's see what will happen. we will flash this. Then we need to download Etcher. I put this link also. Okay, it just goes downstairs. Okay, and then we have Mac OS download. There is also Linux version and Windows versions. So let's download this also. It's 100 megas. Okay. And then anyway, if you have problems with commands, maybe curl command not found, when you let's say in Ubuntu server or in the directly I mean, you don't need it directly. One moment, sorry. If you flash this directly, this one, sorry, you can flash directly in Raspberry Pi. You don't need the Ubuntu. For the Ubuntu one, sorry. If you put this in the Linux, if there is a problem, then you can first thing you can update whatever you are running, and then you can, if there is no curl, you can basically update to install curl in Ubuntu, Debian or Linux Mint. You can use these two. First you can do the update, and then you can write install curl, and then there is other options also how to do it, and then this command will work, and then it will download and install the Umbrel OS latest version probably, and we will see what will happen. I will do extra video, and I put a link what will happen next, how to do it from the, what you need to do from the display concretely. And then okay, and now it's easy because I need to just open this sorry about that. Where am I? Okay. Need to put this in applications. No, because it's full screen. Okay. Alena Etcher. Open. Okay. Sorry. Okay, here we are. Flash from file. Then we have already, I had it the Ubuntu server image. I already had it. Is it still downloading? No, probably not. Okay, open, select target. I have this Silicon Power PD60 media. I put link also to this. This is the NVMe enclosure I'm using. Select, flash, large drive. Yes, I'm sure. I have nothing there. What will happen now? Yes, I'm sure. I need to click here. Okay. Password. And you see with this enclosure it's fast. It's very fast. Only seconds. It takes only seconds. That's why I chose this enclosure. It will delete everything I had there, but it's okay. And let's see if I can sync the Bitcoin full blockchain also faster than it was like 6 days last time. I think now I can put eject. Okay, then I take the basically I take out the NVMe enclosure from my Mac Mini, and then I go and install it again in my Odroid M1 board, that it's perfect alternative for Raspberry Pi. Or you would just connect it via USB with your Raspberry Pi, and then you turn it on. Raspberry Pi should work directly. If you do it, I mean with yes, when you do it with Raspberry Pi, you directly download the Umbrel OS and you flash the Umbrel OS in the NVMe or SSD. If not, yeah, now I will show you how to do it, and then it should already work. And now I show you how to do it with Odroid M1. The next video will be sort of screencast how to download and install Umbrel OS into the Ubuntu server, and then yeah, so let's see how it will work. I don't think I can put Umbrel directly into the Odroid M1. I will not try it. Okay, let me know in the comments if you think it will work. Probably not. Okay, thank you and have a nice day. I hope it's useful. If you have comments, put downstairs in the comments if you have questions. Thank you, bye. I hope it was clear. I put all the links also.